Welcome to the real world, eh?
Guys, watch it. Watch out, man.
If I'm no flower, this an evil man. Don't trust the box food in a man. When you check, say your rice and peas in a that in the the millennium, the new one. Meanwhile, you a laugh and I get you what. And I bring a man for a tear, box full action. By the time you feel look up and think of food, man, and your food, yum, cam. Object bingo, object bingo. Another one bingo, object bingo. Can't do that on the phone, cause you don't know the tingo. Object bingo. Chest metal limbo. Object bingo, object bingo. Another one bingo. One shot through the window. What a performance, your bad funny acting. When you match up, me can't stop watching. Such great delivery of badness, delivery pan image, delivery pan speech. Yo, copy me. I'm making headlines, then they can making headlines. So much man for kill, look outside, we got deadlines. Headlines, we turn white lines to red lines. With 9, 38, 40, in a day 9 man bingo. Bingo, object bingo. Another one bingo, object bingo. Can't do it up on the phone, cause you don't know the tingo. Object bingo. Not chest metal limbo. Object bingo, object bingo. Another one bingo. One shot through the window. He boy have me as a idiot. So me friend them not fly no bat. So me just take up badness what they and feel say me head that and me forget what that. Nobody really idiot. But me still a laugh and a chat.
That's what makes you different. See, it's who you really are. Inside, your soul.
Chappie inside here.
Yeah. See, the outside, this is just temporary. When you die, the soul inside goes to the next place. The thing inside. See, that's what mommy loves.
You know, they get to make me fight for my own. My iron brother, them not left the chrome. Hungry dog, them need some bone. Baby, a ball and grandma moan. Jano foreign life, toughy mommy. Walk one Chippy. Don't worry, Chippy. We Jamaican, we are very strong. I know, mom.
Hi, Chappie.
This pussy will are gonna hate him, you see. Watch him. I don't like him a bit. You see him fucking full of a tattoo.
Chappie.
Where you want to go now, your hand?
Sometimes people make mistakes. I'm really sorry, Chappie.
I fuck you, though. They could have killed me out there, dog.
Do you forgive me?
I give.
Come here.
Me no come for man, dog. Me a forward.
Come, Chappie. Let's you and me reset.
Start over.
Yeah.
I'll forgive you.
Yeah. And we're gonna make you nice and tough and strong like a fucking robot gangster #1, eh?
Where's a real bad man? Boom.
That Chappie, and from now on, I'm gonna be your daddy. For real.
Where's I'm a gangster daddy?
What's up?
Nothing.
What's that, Chappie?
Me no have nothing.
Show me.
It's mommy.
Chappie, if you want to be in the gang, you have to be cool, like daddy. Put the thing down.
Alright.
Now.
Me putting thing
If you
down.
want to be cool, you have to act cool.
But me no act.
Look how daddy walks. Look how cool he is. You need to keep a gangster.
Yeah, man, a gangster.
Stop. You be cool.
I don't laugh the bad man.
Cool. Even when you put a gun, you have to be cool like this. Boom. Now you try.
Die your fuck mother. Boom.
Yes, Chappie. That's what you do when you
I'm
shoot
your shot.
motherfuckers.
No, I can't shoot people.
What?
We can't shoot somebody and they never done nothing wrong to me.
Oh, yeah, but what happens if he pulls a gun on you?
No boy can't diss me, I'm invincible, like what America say.
Yeah, but even if you're invincible, you can't let motherfucker disrespect you, Holmes.
How are you gonna do the heist with us if you don't shoot people?
No, me can't do ice. That's stepping on crime, me promise me maker.
Yo, Chappie, you're doing so fucking well. Why do you have to fuck it up acting like a little pad?
No. It's okay.
But me make a promise.
Hey, it's okay.
You always
Hey,
come with your fuckery.
let's worry about that later, okay? I got this, all right? You're doing well. If somebody really disrespects you, you can deal with them without using a gun.
How are you talk about?
Just stick the knife in, and they can relax and go to sleep.
Yeah, you can just make them go sleepy weepy. It's like a nice thing. It feels nice, Chappie.
Take the knife.
Give me a knife. You want to go sleepy weepy? Come on then.
Whoa.
You want to sleep, daddy.
No.
Come and put it to bed.
Chappie, Daddy's not tired. He's already slept.
Daddy, me never know you're a ninja.
Real gangsters use this.
This man's dog. Daddy, me feel like Ninja America. Who shall not contest me? Who can be the robot ninja? Yeah! Sit me, daddy.
If you're not done, go
Bad
get what
dog.
you get. When you include
When they say me look like cartel, color
to
cook.
say that
Me think
everybody
turn up look like Jamaican
Y'all say me pretty
gangster.
like a
Real
color
bad man.
She say me skin pretty like a color rainbow. Y'all say them walk time when me live on a road. She asks if it hot like rice with
Okay, we're just gonna do some stuff to get ready for the heist.
We not do no crimes.
No, not crimes. Special gangster.
We say bad man a gangster.
Yes, you wanna come with, Jack?
This more do bad name.
concert, Philip a fi work, till me mark up like school book. At the new look, y'all a said the flavor shook. Police a send me favor crook. Me ink up like the cleaner and observer. Brando the insurgent with the surgeon. Skin paint up like Berger.
Okay, Chappie.
Yo,
Your job now is to get one of Daddy's cars back so we can get the money.
so who me will take a car from?
I told you, Chappie, from the naughty man who took Daddy's car from me. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the gun and you're pointing it at him. But don't worry, you don't have to shoot him. You just have to give him a big flag so that he never takes Daddy's car again.
Friendly boy and say pussy don't thief that the car again with dead.
Good, Chappie. Okay,
I wait thief there.
I'm gonna show you now. It's a fucking cock. So,
Him a fall.
Hey, there's a dick right there.
go get him, Chappie!
That raw Stephen cock. Me a get him.
Bring it home.
Me a go film dog. Hey, you cock.
What seems to be the problem, officer?
You two pussy clad thief. You don't steal car from dad.
What did I do?
You two pussy clad thief. You cock.
Oh, jeez! What are you doing?
Where the thief that the car from?
Who's good?
Thou shall not thief. Take back the car, dog.
Come here, Chappie!
Thief. You fucking thief.
Get in, you fool.
But me take the car from the cop.
What you, man? Shut the door.
Dirty thief, boy.
Jesus Christ, Chappie! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Big man, what you talk about?
Daddy needs the cars nice and fresh so he can sell them?
Why smash the car, man?
Okay. Understand now. Please let me go again.
Chappie, that's her. That's the slut that took Daddy's car.
That slut.
Hi, officer.
Big pussy slut, get out. Get out. Why do you still got the car, dirty girl?
Nice car.
Your thief is me daddy too. If you talk thief, you be fucking thieves. Come on. Hey, boy, thief man careful. Come on, that's I
been drinking.
I think that thief man can support your alcoholic behavior.
Nah stop. Then from them try run up, me use the bomb